everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. If you're listening right now and you're learning English, I want you to relax. Take a deep breath. You're in the right place.
Yes, absolutely. And today's topic is a big one, a really important one.
Very important.
We're talking about thinking in English, not in your own language.
This one topic alone can change how you speak English.
Exactly. Because many beginners don't have a vocabulary problem.
Or even a grammar problem.
They have a thinking problem.
Yes, they think in their own language first, then translate into English.
And that's where everything slows down.
So if you've ever felt like, I know English words, but I can't speak, this episode is for you.
And don't worry, we'll keep it simple, very simple.
No pressure, no grammar stress.
Just real speaking practice.
All right, Mike, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
When you first started learning another language, did you translate everything in your head?
Oh my goodness, yes, all the time. I would think, translate, think again, translate again, and by the time I spoke, the conversation was already finished.
Same here. And the worst part?
What?
You feel nervous because people are waiting for you to speak.
Exactly. And your brain is like, wait, loading.
That's such a good way to describe it. It's like your brain is buffering.
Yes, like a slow internet connection.
And everyone's staring at you.
Waiting.
So today, we're going to help you stop that loading problem.
Yes, we want your English to come out naturally.
Like automatic English.
Like breathing.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk honestly for a moment.
Okay,
Why do beginners translate?
because it feels safe.
Yes,
Your first language is your comfort zone.
it's like home.
Exactly. English feels like a guest room you're not used to yet.
Nice example.
Thank you.
But here's the truth. You cannot speak English fluently if you always go back home first.
You have to start living in English, even if it feels uncomfortable.
And uncomfortable doesn't mean impossible.
Right. It just means new.
It means you're growing.
Yes, growing always feels strange at first.
Like wearing new shoes.
They feel tight, weird.
But after a while,
They fit perfectly.
same with English.
Now let's make this very practical.
Yes, beginners love practical things.
Theory is nice, but practice is better.
Much better.
So imagine someone asks you a simple question. How are you?
Very basic.
Super basic.
But many beginners do this in their head. First, they think in their language. Then they translate. Then they check grammar. Then they speak.
That's 4 steps.
And English needs 1 step.
Just answer.
Exactly. Just say, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay.
No thinking marathon.
Thinking marathon. I like that.
It's exhausting, right?
Very exhausting.
Your brain gets tired
And speaking becomes stressful.
instead of enjoyable.
So the first rule to think in English is,
Think in small English,
yes, not big sentences.
not perfect sentences.
Small, simple, clear.
3 words are okay.
2 words are okay.
Even 1 word is okay.
If it communicates your message.
That's all that matters.
Let's practice together.
All right, listeners, do this with us.
Close your eyes if you can.
Or just focus.
I'll say a word.
And you don't translate it.
Just imagine it.
Feel it.
See it in your mind.
Okay, Mike, go.
Apple.
Did you see an apple?
Red, round, shiny.
Maybe green?
Maybe yellow.
But not your language word, just the image.
That's thinking in English.
Your brain connected directly to the picture.
No translation bridge.
Let's try another.
Cold.
Did you feel it?
Winter, jacket, shiver.
Snow, ice.
Freezing hands.
That's it.
You're not thinking the word in your language.
You're experiencing it.
So step 1, connect English words to images and feelings, not translation.
This is super important.
This changes everything.
Because when someone says apple, you should see it instantly.
Not translate it instantly.
See it, feel it, know it.
Now, step 2, talk to yourself in English.
People feel shy about this.
Yes, they think it's strange.
Why would I talk to myself?
But trust me, it works.
It's actually genius.
You don't need an audience.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need anyone's approval.
You just need honesty.
For example, in the morning,
You wake up,
say in English, I am waking up.
I feel sleepy.
I need coffee.
Very real English.
Very useful English.
And no one is judging you.
Unless your pillow is judging you.
My pillow judges me every morning.
Same. My pillow is very judgmental.
Get up already.
Exactly.
But seriously, this practice is amazing.
Because you're creating English in your brain.
Without pressure.
Without fear.
You can make mistakes.
You can be silly.
You can repeat the same sentence 10 times.
Who cares?
Nobody's listening except you.
Now let's talk about a big fear beginners have.
Making mistakes.
Yes,
They think if they think in English, they'll make more mistakes.
but the opposite is true.
Exactly.
When you translate, mistakes increase.
Because languages don't match word by word.
Every language has its own logic,
Its own structure.
its own expressions.
So when you translate directly, it sounds weird.
Unnatural.
Like machine translation.
Exactly.
But when you think directly in English, your sentences become more natural.
Even if they're simple.
Simple is powerful.
Say that again.
Simple is powerful.
Yes, write that down, everyone.
Native speakers use simple English every day.
They don't speak like textbooks.
They say, I'm hungry, not, I am experiencing hunger.
Right.
I'm tired, not, I am suffering from exhaustion.
So simple English is real English.
Professional English.
Adult English.
Now let's do a small speaking practice.
Everyone listening, imagine this situation.
Close your eyes.
You are at a cafe.
You smell coffee.
You see cakes in the window.
The waiter comes to you.
Smiling, friendly.
The waiter asks, what would you like?
Now in your head, don't translate.
Don't think in your language first.
Just think English.
What do you want?
You can say, I want coffee, or coffee please.
That's enough.
Perfect communication.
You don't need, I would like to order a cup of coffee, thank you very much.
That's nice, but not necessary.
Especially for beginners.
Native speakers also say short sentences.
Coffee, please, is completely normal.
Very natural.
So don't stress about long, perfect sentences.
Stress about clear communication.
Now let's talk about daily practice.
Because thinking in English is a habit.
And habits need repetition.
You can't build a habit in one day.
Or 1 week.
Short practice every day is better than long practice once a week.
5 minutes is okay.
Even 2 minutes.
Yes.
Consistency beats perfection.
Every single time.
For example, choose one topic a day.
Like food.
Monday is food day.
Think out breakfast, lunch, dinner.
In English.
I ate rice. I like pizza. I want fruit.
Or weather.
Tuesday is weather day.
It's sunny, it's raining, it's hot today.
Or your routine.
Wednesday is routine day.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I go to work.
And think only in English about that topic.
Even broken English is okay.
Broken English is better than silent English.
Ooh, that's a good line.
You can steal it.
I will. I'm stealing it right now.
It's yours.
Thank you.
Now, let's do another practice together.
Okay.
I'll ask you a question.
Listeners, answer in your head or out loud.
If you're alone, say it out loud.
If you're on a bus, maybe just think it.
Yes, good advice.
Okay, question time.
Question. What did you do today?
Don't translate.
Don't think in your language.
Just answer simply in English.
Examples. I woke up. I worked. I ate food. I rested.
Perfect.
See how simple?
Not perfect grammar, perfect communication.
Exactly.
Grammar can come later.
First, build the thinking habit.
The English brain.
Yes, the English brain.
Now let's talk about listening.
Ah, yes, very important.
If you want to think in English, you must hear English.
Every day.
Your ears need training.
Your brain needs input.
Podcasts like this.
Simple YouTube videos.
Slow English.
English for beginners.
Children's English programs are great too.
Yes, don't be embarrassed.
Children's programs use simple, clear English.
Perfect for learners.
Your brain starts copying patterns.
Just like a child.
And children don't translate.
They absorb.
They hear, they copy, they speak.
Natural process.
So be a child with English.
Without the crying part.
Without us speaking for yourself.
I cry sometimes.
We all do.
Learning is emotional.
Okay. Before we finish, let's summarize.
Yes, very important.
Because you need to remember this.
Write it down.
Take notes.
Screenshot if you're watching on YouTube.
To think in English,
Number 1, stop translating word for word.
your language and English are different.
Accept that.
Number 2, think in small, simple English sentences.
Short is strong.
Number 3, connect words to images and feelings.
See the apple, don't translate the apple.
Number 4, talk to yourself daily in English.
In the morning, during lunch, before bed.
And number 5, listen to English every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
If you do this, speaking becomes easier,
Faster.
more confident.
And more fun.
Exactly.
Because English should be fun.
Not stressful.
Not scary.
It's just communication.
Human connection.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening.
If this helped you, practice today.
Right now.
Don't wait for tomorrow.
Tomorrow never comes.
Today is the only day you have.
Think in English, even just one sentence.
Right now, say something.
I am learning English.
There you go.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
One small step every day.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
Bye.
Bye-bye.